welcome back to TyeTye Land XOX. Today we're doing a Get Unready with me. So I'm going to be showing you what I do as far as skincare and to wind down after a long day and the products that I use. Now I use a very short amount of products. I find that less is definitely more. Now if different things work for your skin, that's great. This is just what works for mine. I plan on adding a couple things as I go along with my videos and find other things that I love, but this is what I'm into right now. So the first thing is Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser. I love this cleanser. It is very gentle, just like it says, and if a face wash doesn't have a foam, for some reason I just don't like it. I love a foam in my facial cleanser, and it's just very gentle on my skin. Other things can seem to be drying or too harsh, but this is great, and I'll tell you a little bit more about this in a few minutes. I also love Pond's Dry Skin Cream. It's a moisturizer. I love Estée Lauder's Night Repair. This is a tiny one, but I love the full size, but I just got this from Ulta when I saw it there. So this is a must-have. When I worked at the Lauder counter, this was the one thing that I told everyone to get. It is the one thing that every woman should not go to bed without. And I use this at night and in the morning. And to take off my makeup, I actually just use Vaseline. This is cocoa butter, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. And then I use Sensitive Skin baby wipes, very inexpensive, and I make sure that it's fragrance free. So in the morning, after I do everything that I'm about to show you at night, all I do is just take a damp, wet washcloth and cleanse my face with that. I don't use any soap or anything in my face in the morning since I did that at night. And then I just go in with my serum and then my moisturizer, and I'm good to go. I even put some of the serum on my neck and as well as underneath my eyes, and I can't wait to tell you guys about this product because I love it. This is everything. So today I'm gonna show you what I do, but after I take off my lashes, I'm going to take them off, and this is kind of like a holder. I'll keep them on here, and just to give you a follow-up about the lashes, I've had them all on all day. I will say I wish I added a thicker strip on my lashes, but other than that, they lasted. Long as you're not trying to like do an extremely hard workout where you're sweating profusely, or you know, you're going on some kind of cruise and you're standing in the front with your eyelashes just fluttering away, you should be good to go for a night on the town or something fun. So I'm gonna put these in here, then I'm going to remove my makeup, and every night and every morning after I cleanse, I put on my serum and my moisturizer, and that is my skincare routine. So let's get started.
This patented serum is the #1 product no woman should go to bed without. Significantly reduces the look of key signs of aging. It targets lines and wrinkles and helps the skin feel smoother, hydrated, and stronger. It's non-acnogenic, oil-free, fragrance-free, and dermatologist tested. First things first, before touching your face, please wash your hands with antibacterial soap. If you have on lashes, be sure to take those off. I don't put anything on my lashes to remove them just because I didn't use regular glue. These are the magnetic lashes, and I didn't put anything on top of them, so they came off very easily. If you had something on your lashes, use an oil-based remover to remove your lashes. Now I'm just combing through the lashes quickly with my BH Cosmetic number 15 brush to make sure that anything that was on the brushes is off. Now I'm getting ready to take off my makeup with my Vaseline that I got from the Dollar Tree. I am just applying this all over my face and removing it with my baby wipes. Repeat this step as much as you need to get all of the makeup off of your face. Now it's time for the Cetaphil Foaming Cleanser. I'm going to pump a couple squirts into my hand and then apply it all over to my face and my neck. I'm going to remove it with a damp washcloth and an upward motion to get everything and all of the soap off of my face. And now we have a squeaky clean face. So now I'm going to apply my Advanced Night Repair on my face as well as my neck. I'm putting this on in an upward motion. Last but not least, I'm putting on my Pond's Moisturizer.
So that concludes my get unready with me and what I do before I go to bed and my skincare routine. If you have serious skincare concerns, please consult a dermatologist in your local area. They can really help you with the skin issues that you have. Once again, this is just what I use on my skin and what does best for me to help me get my glow. If you guys have different things that you guys do, comment below. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon.